These fritters, to use up leftover chicken or game meat, surprised us with the addition of ground gingerbread. Who has been watching other historical recipe videos on this channel will not be surprised, though, of the combination of sweet and savoury. If the paste is not firm enough, add a little flour or breadcrumbs. The original recipe proposes to sprinkle the ready fritters with sugar, but that is totally optional. Source of this recipe is the Koch and Kellermeisterei, printed in Frankfurt in 1566.